is up, peeps? Darlene Weenie here. Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you guys read by the title, this has been a long time coming. I am finally back on my cheat days. I'm so excited for today. I love cheat days because I get to have a lot of fun and I get to eat a lot of good food. Who doesn't love a lot of good food? So today it's just going to be me eating to satiety. There is going to be a lot of calories. Right now it is 9:03. I actually woke up a little bit late. I was supposed to wake up way earlier and started my day earlier, but I kind of slept in because during the week I wake up early every single day, and Saturdays are the only days I can kind of sleep in. So it's kind of a sleep in, but not completely. And right now I am going to this donut place. You already know I got to start off with the donuts. It's called Hertz Donuts, and I've never had it. Apparently they're like open 24/7, so I probably could have gone way earlier than I'm actually going now. So hopefully the donuts are warm because I don't like no cold donuts. Hopefully it's good. I'm excited, and then throughout the rest of the day I'm just gonna be updating you guys on where I will be going. If you guys are excited for this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Alrighty, you guys, let's take this drive. We just arrived to Hertz Donuts. Let's go get them. Alright, you guys, we got the donuts. These donuts look pretty promising. I always forget the names that I get, but hopefully I can remember what I just got. Okay, so I think I did remember the names just by looking at them. So right here we got strawberry cheesecake. Then we got cotton candy. They asked me if I wanted to add cotton candy on top of the donut, and I said, why not? And then we got a bubble gum right here, which is a little bit weird. Has a gum in the middle. And then this one is called the Jesus, and he said that that's their best seller, so that should be pretty good. And then this one is peanut butter Oreo. I think that's what the name was. And then we got the Cookie Monster on this side. I think I'm gonna try the cotton candy one first. They honestly just put the cotton candy like on the top, like I can literally like take it off. Oops, I can literally like take it off. But this is what it looks like. And I will be rating the food from 1 to 10, so all right, let's take a bite. Yummy. That is so good. I give the cotton candy one a solid 8. I give it an 8. Alright, next I am going to try the cheesecake one. So this is what it looks like. Cheers, my friend. I had to turn the car off because I don't know if you guys can hear me over the car. I think I give this a 6. The only reason why I'm giving it a 6 is because I feel like it's been sitting there for a little bit. And it has graham crackers on the top, and they're, you know, whenever you leave them like out, they get a little bit like soggy, or you leave it with something like wet, they get a little bit soft. And that's not, they're okay. That donut is okay. I feel like it would taste better if it was fresh out of the oven. All right, next let's try the Cookie Monster. I feel like this one should be good. So all right. Just give it one more bite. There's literally like a snow truck plowing snow all around my car. I probably should move. Anyways, they can wait. Look, you can see it right there. Oh man, my mouth is blue. All right, so this donut, I would give this, I have yet to find a good Cookie Monster donut. But this one's okay. Like, it's not bad. I'll say I give it a 6 as well. I don't know, I feel like the dough is a little bit dry though. It's not as like squishy. Right, next let's try the bubblegum one. This one kind of looks like a cake donut. The dough kind of looks cakey. Oh. One more bite. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna eat the gum. That's a little bit weird. But it kind of just tastes like a strawberry cake donut. I feel like you either have to be a cake donut lover or a person that definitely does not think that cake donuts are good. But I like cake donuts. Yeah, this one's okay. I feel like I would give this one, I would give this a 6.5. Like, it's edible. Like, I would pick it again. Obviously the dough looks cakey and it's pretty soft, so my favorite one has been the cotton candy one. Now let's try the peanut butter Oreo. Oh man, I hope this one's good. It looks like this one is a cake donut too. Yep, cake donut. This is what it looks like. Oh man, I feel like this one should be good. Looks a little bit dry though. Hopefully it's not that dry. Right. Cheers. Oh, that is sweet. That is very sweet. I actually don't like this one that much. I give this one a 4. I think also because they packed a bunch of frosting on the top. And it's like super thick on the donut. But you can obviously, you can taste the Oreo, you can taste the peanut butter, and it's like a chocolate cake donut. Yeah, I give this one a 4. All right, last but not least, the Jesus one, they called it after Jesus, so it better taste on the same level as Jesus was good. I don't know why they would name their donut Jesus. It's a little bit weird, but they gave it a very high standard name. It looks like it's a cake donut too. Oh, so I got, let's see, got 1, 2, 3. It was 3 cake donuts and the other ones were regular donuts. So this is what it looks like. He said it tasted like a churro. And you know your girl is Mexicana, so I'm gonna tell you guys if it really does taste like a churro. All right, cheers. One more bite. It's okay. It's good. It's a good donut. But it didn't live up to the hype. Like, that's their best seller. So I kind of had really high expectations. It's good. It's a good donut. I would give that probably a... Now, it does not taste like a churro. Definitely does not taste like a churro. But I do give that donut, I would say, a 7. My favorite one still is the cotton candy one, and then probably next the Jesus one. So that is my ratings on Hertz Donuts. Now I'm gonna head back home and I'm gonna share these with probably the baby. The baby's gonna have some donuts for breakfast. Bad mom 101, huh? Nah, he eats pretty healthy during the week. Well, actually, he eats healthy like every time. He eats basically what I eat. So if I eat fish and veggies and whatever else, and sweet potato or whatever, he eats what I eat, and I eat pretty healthy. So the little guy intakes a lot of vegetables, just know that. I'm actually very sugared out right now, but whenever I get home, I'll probably eat like 1 or 2 of these. Yeah. All right, you guys, I'll catch you guys in a bit.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now I'm back home and I'm gonna finish eating the rest of the donuts. I am gonna leave a little bit of the donuts for my significant other because he still hasn't ate his. So let's go. I'm gonna finish the rest of the cotton candy one before this cotton candy turns all nasty. Looks like the cotton candy already turned hard, so that's a no-go right there. Is it strawberry cheesecake? I think I'm just gonna leave the rest for Dwight. I'm gonna just leave halves. This one is too much for me, but I'm gonna have one more bite. You want some donuts? You want some donuts? Hey! Say hello! Say hello! Say hello, darling Winnie Fam. Alright. Let's give you a piece of donut. Which one should we give you? This one? I'm gonna give him some of the bubblegum one. Wait. You wanna give us your rating? Looks like he wants more. I think that's a 10 out of 10 for him. Some more, baby? Gonna have a hyper baby. All this sugar. It's my cheat day, mommy. What are you talking about? Alright. I think that was a 10 out of 10. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alright, you guys. So... Excuse me? Okay, he wants some more, I think. Here, baby. Here.
What are you trying for the donut?
All right, so we are planning to go to the store to get some snacks because you can't go on a cheat day without snacks, chips, whatever we want to get. And we'll catch you guys in a bit. There's a very frustrated baby right now. Look at how good he looks. Got the shoes going. Shout out to Vince. The whole outfit actually. Look at him. Got the Nike. But he's really frustrated because he cannot walk with these big shoes. This is the first time we put them on him. And he does not want to walk. They're probably too heavy for him. Alright, so we are now on the road. Change of plans. We're gonna go to the Gyro place first. Apparently he's already tried it before.
Yes, I have.
So he wants me to try it. I've never tried it. And I actually do really like gyros.
Best gyro place in Nebraska, to be honest.
In Nebraska or in Omaha?
In Nebraska, in Omaha.
I was gonna say, I don't think you've been in the whole state of Nebraska.
My bad.
Yeah, so I'm excited to try the gyros. And we'll see you guys there. Alright, so this is the gyro place we were talking about. Istanbul. It's kind of a weird name. I wonder what that stands for.
It's probably Greek.
Oh yeah, probably. Gyros are Greek.
Life, huh?
So I just ordered my gyro. I ordered a meal. It normally comes with fries and a drink, but I switched the fries to rice because Dwight said the rice is really good, so I wanted to try that. And then I also got a dessert called the baklava. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly, but this is what it looks like. Alright, first time. I've actually had a gyro before, but it's my first time trying it for desserts. So I've heard a lot of good things about it. Alright, let's dig in. Put the red on top. Cheers, my friends. Really good.
I told you. Right? 1 out of 10.
Let me try the rice. Well, the gyro. I give the gyro. I'll give it a 10.
Okay.
It's pretty
you know,
good. I was debating between 9 and 10.
you don't never give nothing a 10. That's your problem.
For a gyro, I give it a 10. They're actually really good too. It's like simple. It doesn't have anything in it. I think they cook it with butter.
Yeah. It's a different type of rice. Look at the meat though. Now we know where to go to Got a gyro instead of going out to West Omaha for all these.
Weird tasting food, man.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. West Omaha.
So success.
Yeah, it's full of good. Appreciate it. Alright, so I just finished my main plate. I didn't finish the rice. That was actually really, really filling, but it was really, really good. So I give that food a 10. Now, let's hit this one. I feel like it's kind of like a pie. Oh, it's a little bit harder, though it's gonna be soft. Ooh, am I cutting this right? I probably should have gotten a small piece. Have you tasted this?
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's good, yeah. It's a different type of dessert. For me,
Oh, I definitely butchered that. Definitely tastes different.
yeah. Seemed like you didn't like that as much as the food.
It's so sweet.
It's too sweet for you?
I think it has honey. I give that a 5.
A 5, she said.
Yep. That concludes my second meal of the day. We're probably gonna go get some snacks, go back home real quick, and then we'll hit the road again for some dinner. And I'll catch you guys in a bit. He was sleeping the whole time. He just now woke up. Hi, baby. So I am back home. We did stop to the store to get some snacks. I didn't get very many things because I honestly was just craving Cheetos. So we got some munchies. And then I got these Cheetos. I was originally going to get the black bag, the super hot ones, but I saw these and I had never tasted these. So I was like, maybe I should try these. So hopefully these are good. And then we also picked up some mini Oreos. And I also have my water here. Look how beautiful that looks. I get really thirsty when I eat a lot of bad food. All right, let's go ahead and try these. Right off the bat, just by looking at the amount of chili that they have, I'm not gonna be satisfied. Like the ones in the black bag are packed with chili. Like the Cheetos are red, like red. So, well, see how these do. They definitely live up to the title. It says tangy chili fusion. That literally tastes like tangy chili fusion. They kind of taste like they put like real chili, like pieces of real chili in them. But it is a bit tangy. I like them. I don't think I like them more than I do the ones in the black bag, because the black bag, oh my goodness, there's something about those. They get so spicy in my mouth. Like I could probably finish a whole bag of the black bag, a big size like this, and my mouth is on fire, and I just gotta keep going. They're kind of like addicting. I give these like a 7 out of 10. It's fair. So I'm gonna just keep eating these, and then around like 6-ish, 7-ish, we're gonna go to an actual restaurant. All right, guys, catch you guys in a bit. So when we got here, there was actually a lot of people, and it's not that big of a place. It's called the Trax Lounge. Apparently the wings are extremely good here. The guy that sat down next to us, or that was sitting there before us, said to the waiter that the wings were super good, that he cannot wait to come here like 10 more thousand times. So, and he also said he was a wing freak, which means he has probably tried a lot of wings, and he actually mentioned it to us that they were so freaking good. So guess I'm gonna get some wings. Hopefully our food does not take that long, because I think there's like a 45-minute wait, because the waiter said that there's a lot of people today. So fingers crossed. So I did get it charred and double dipped. Apparently that's like the best tasting. Dipping it.
Fire?
That's really good.
Thank God. I know it's gonna be fire.
Right off the bat, that's a 10 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
They're not salty, they're not unsalted. They're just perfect. If you are watching this and you live in Omaha, I definitely recommend this restaurant. Trax Lounge. Health. So what the waffle fries look like? Even the fries are good. What about you?
Fire. Look at my hand.
10 out of 10?
15 out of 15.
You heard the man. Pretty good. I'm not gonna have you guys just watch me eat all these wings. I'm gonna pause the camera and I'm gonna continue to eat my wings. Definitely going to finish them off. And then I'll catch you guys a little bit later. We just made it back home. It is super duper cold outside. This is the end of the video. I'm gonna close it out here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ow, no! Excuse me, sir.